we are doing a sound test. We've had sound problems, so I have to talk quietly, medium, normal level, and then yell. And I can't think of anything to say because it's quite hard to think of something to say when someone just wants you to keep talking and they're not responding. So I'm reading out a kind of climate change leaflet. Franny's running into the other room and she's recording it on all different levels on the camera, and then we should be able to tell where the problem came from.
So what level is that you doing?
Oh, that was very quiet. I was talking very quietly there. That was my quiet level. Now they're shouting.
Yeah.
Okay. Through an international treaty that limits the world's emissions of the greenhouse gases that are destabilizing global climate. But the world's most powerful nation, the USA, has not only refused to join, but actively attempted to wreck this crucial planet-saving effort.
Try and do it not so high pitched.
Okay.
But loud, really loud.
Now I'm doing it loud, but not so high pitched, because even now I'm too high, right?
It's just sounding compressed anyway, but I think it's your voice.
Okay. But the world's most powerful nation, the USA, has not only refused to join, but actively attempted to wreck this crucial planet-saving effort. Okay. So we're only interested in shouting, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I'm really loud.
Okay, so this is, can you say on it? It's little cutie and it's 0 dB.
This is little cutie new radio mic, and it's 0 dB and shouting. Another way to check for correct vertical balance, known as the movement test, is to walk forward with the 2000 probe